Repair completely destroyed the shingle above it. Actually went up to the third row here and started ripping apart the shingles up top. So to replace one shingle just cost me 3 shingles in material. And the further I go up, I'm just going to get into the ridge now, and I'm not sure how we're going to take care of all these repairs because the shingles above it is just ripping apart on me. I think 1, 2, 3 tears in the shingle above it. I'm not even going to replace this one because I'm just going to start damaging the ones above it now.